Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. I want to talk about headlight bracket made by City Moto. Now, I couldn't find these anywhere, and City Moto got up with me and offered to help. So I want to show you what they did for me and what this thing looks like. It's freaking awesome, guys. Let's get started. All right, guys, so this is kind of a sneak peek on this Moto Gymkhana build. I'm in the middle of doing it. The bike is rideable, as you can see, but I wanted a certain headlight look, and this headlight right here, I just think looks awesome on the bike. So in order to get this light mounted up, I needed special brackets, and I couldn't find brackets anywhere when I was looking online. So on one of the Facebook pages I was on, City Moto chimed up and said, hey man, let me help you make those. And we worked on these together, and I think it came out awesome. The brackets are right here. You can see that there's two brackets that go around the forks here, and then the bracket mount is right here. It mounts up here and here to the headlight. Now, one of the cool things about this, these brackets, let me show you, is the way that they're mounted up. Now, you see these right here, when they mount up, I can take this bracket, if I had a wider headlight or any different kind of setup that I needed to widen these, you rotate these brackets, and when you rotate the brackets, this right here, when you loosen this screw, the bracket that mounts to the plate will stay straight, so you can rotate it out, in, you can make it wider, more narrow, depending on whatever kind. And I don't even have my gauges hooked up yet. That's another video. I'm making a custom bracket to mount the stock gauges in here. It's going to look awesome. You can find this headlight set up on Amazon. I'll try to put a link for the headlight as well as the brackets in the description of this video, but I want you guys to check them out. Go to their website, see all the things they have to offer. I painted this one myself because we were working on it together, so when you get it, it's going to be anodized like these. So guys, check them out. And there's also enough room if you wanted to put turn signals here, you can put a hole here and actually add turn signals. So yeah, I think this looks awesome. It came out really good. It's super solid too. I mean, these brackets, look at this, shaking the whole bike. Now, when you order a kit like this, you're going to get the brackets, you'll get the mounts right here, you'll get the mounts for the forks. It also comes with, you can barely see me in here, but there's some rubber kind of mounts that you can put underneath. Stops these things from twist and slide and makes them fit good. All that stuff comes with the kits, as well as all the screws to mount everything up. I just love the way this thing looks. It's like, it's not too high, it sits low, it sits just a perfect location, just enough room to put the gauges in there. I love the way this thing looks. This came out great. They're solid, man. I love them. Hit them up, guys. Order some up. Get those bikes looking good. And stay tuned for my future videos on this bike and the Gymkhana build. I can't wait. You know, I broke my collarbone, so I'm healing up. Probably shouldn't be riding, but you know, I can't keep off these bikes, man. I love them. So guys, do me a favor. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell for further notifications. Make sure you keep up on this video. You're going to love it. Till next time, it's Tepcocyclerepair.